Hello guys, and welcome back to another airdrop, another free airdrop. There's a couple missions I'm gonna show you exactly, and we're gonna go through it. This is Mon Protocol, a very big project that can literally cause a nice airdrop for us for free, potentially couple $1,000. Depends on the task, depends how active you are obviously and how much you input into the project. But like with the other ones, it's not that hard to do it. Maybe save it somewhere in Excel file or something like that, come back to the task once a week. Maybe there's something new, but as you can see, it's extremely professional and it's gaming based, so very big potential obviously, as gaming is exploding, especially gaming on blockchain with tokenization, all that stuff. It's backed by a lot of projects, a lot of VCs, team from very well-known brands. As you can see, Animoca Ventures, I don't know if you joined, like Mocaverse, they have tons of projects and they took as well under their wings the Mon Protocol, so they're going to be pushing this as well. They have tons of different projects under their belt, very successful ones, and they're adding now the Mon Protocol, which is obviously only positive. So as you can see, this can have a huge airdrop, huge benefit for us. So let's dive right into the airdrop. You'll find the link down below. You'll go to something like this. The first page, you will connect your Twitter account. All you need for this is Twitter. Then the next step, input referral code. I'll put mine down below, and then obviously get into the nitty-gritty part, which is the tasks. As you can see, there's a lot of them, but they're mostly on Twitter, and there's stuff like Space Nation following their other partners. So let's just do it quickly here. You've got their Twitter here in the corner as well, but this will probably be here as well. So daily spin, let's do the spin. I just literally launched it and it's quite simple, so I really hope I'm gonna bookmark this page and I'm going to come back to it. I'm not gonna share this one because there will be probably some reposting to do. Follow, like and repost. Yes, so I don't want to spam too much my Twitter, but one a day like that is not bad. Okay, so you can create an account, Pixel Pals. It will take you to another page where you can open account. Maybe it will be just wallet connection, hopefully. Let's go back to this one here quickly. Close this one. Okay, I couldn't close it, but it took like 30 seconds to say everything is fine. I didn't even need to connect anything, but maybe connecting some wallet will be enough. But let's just go. So we've got 2,000 points. Link wallet. Let's link our wallet. So for future, whichever you want to use, I'm gonna go with my Phantom. I mostly try to use only Phantom or MetaMask, depends on what network they use, but in this case I'm gonna use Phantom. Some projects don't let you choose, but this one allows that. And the rest, as you can see, it's following basically them on Twitter, so as well it's beneficial not to lose any updates, any news. So it will take you to Twitter and automatically follow them. Okay, another mission done. It takes like 30 seconds, 1 minute to validate, but they're probably gonna be all the same. Follow, yeah. So let's do this one as well, like and retweet. So these two are completed. Let's do the like and retweet. Like it and repost it. Okay, validating now. Okay, got another points, and the rest I'm going to do obviously as well. It will take me like 5-10 minutes because all of this stuff is following on X. I did connect my wallet. Okay, I need to sign the message as well. Connect wallet and sign the message. This one is interesting. Add Mon to your Twitter username. Not sure wanna do that at the moment, but might do that in the future. And the rest is, as I said, just following. So very simple. Each one that you're gonna click is gonna take you to X and follow Twitter. So most of the tasks are only on Twitter, and then obviously bookmark the page, come back to it once a week, see if something is new here, some new tasks, and just step by step do them. Very easy and very, very big potential. I'm very excited about it. Hopefully we're gonna make some nice decent airdrop. So this is it, guys. Contact me on Telegram if you need any help, and thank you for watching.